To check the anode rod in a water heater, turn off the water going to the water heater. Turn off the gas or electric to the water heater. Open the hot side of a faucet and leave it open. Drain a couple of gallons of water using the drain valve on the bottom of the tank. You want the water level just below the top of the tank. The top of the anode rod has a hex head. It's usually visible, but some have a plastic cap over it. Use a 1 1/16 inch socket and unscrew the anode rod by turning it counterclockwise with a socket wrench. If it doesn't turn easily, slide a metal pipe over the handle of your socket wrench for more leverage, or use an impact driver. Have someone hold the tank if it moves while you're removing the anode rod. Lift the anode rod out of the tank to inspect it. They start out a 1/2 inch to 3/4 inch in diameter. If it looks substantially worn or pitted and it's less than 1/4 inch in diameter, you should replace it just to be safe. If there's just a thin metal wire left, you need a new anode rod to protect your tank. This one still has enough material on it, so I'm putting it back in. If you're replacing the old rod or putting in a new one, wrap the threads with plumber's tape clockwise over the threads 3 to 5 times, or use pipe thread sealant on the threads. Tighten down the anode rod by turning it clockwise. Turn on the water to the tank and wait until the water is flowing out of the hot side of the open hot faucet to be sure all the air is out of the tank. Turn off the faucet, then turn on the gas or electric to your water heater. Check your anode rod once a year or as recommended by the manufacturer.